What's up, everybody? Welcome to Outdoor More. I wanted to show you guys some tips and tricks to washing your Mercedes Sprinter or Class B RV that I've found extremely useful. That's a lot better than using the bucket and cloth method. It's actually with using a Ryobi 1200 PSI pressure washer. And I was going through recording the video for you guys, talking you through the whole entire thing. And then with the 0% chance of rain today, we got absolutely downpoured on by that lovely cloud up there. So you're saying there's a chance, even though there's a 0% chance. But what I am going to do is I'm going to talk you guys through essentially the first half of this wash of before Mother Nature decided to come in here and rain on our parade. But overall, the information should be useful for you. If you got a Class B RV, this is good for you. So let's go. First off, you need to get child labor involved. And after child labor, this is the Ryobi 1200 PSI. Ryobi 1200 PSI auto and car wash kit that recently came out. It also comes with foam cannon, in which we're using the max power car wash along with the foam there. So first thing that we're gonna do is do a rinse of everything. After the rinse, we're gonna spray the wheels. After the wheels, rinsing the actual van itself, rinsing the Raptor, foam it down. Use a microfiber cloth for where you can. I want to try it with and without the fiber cloth just to see the difference. The van isn't dirty right now, it's been sitting a lot, but it needs a wash. Then we'll go through and just blow it all, hand dry it. All right, first thing that I'm gonna do is rinse down the van. It's pretty light. Van's all rinsed up. This is not, I am not a professional detailer, nor is this a detailing video, but it's just a quick and easy tips and tricks on how to maintain your Storyteller or Sprinter. Because before this method, it used to take me over 2 hours of scrubbing to get each one of these vehicles clean, and buying this little Ryobi really seemed to save some time. But what we do have here is the beloved foam cannon. Let's fire it up. Okay, so we foam cannoned it up, sat for about a minute or two. You can see some of the soap in there. You need to increase the spray nozzle on it, make it a little bit more foamier. But what they say now is you have essentially two options. If you're trying to do this as fast as possible, which is what we're gonna do with the Raptor, and figure out how well does not touching it get that stuff off and just the foam by itself. But with this, we're gonna go through with the microfiber cloth and a clean bucket of water and just simply give it a good wash down. If you have a Sprinter and you wash this yourself, you probably have a really tall ladder because you need that to be able to get to the top. All right, soaked up the first half of it. Washed it down with a microfiber cloth. The hardest part to get is up at the top, but you don't want the soap to dry into it. But overall, I've already saved over 30 minutes of time minimum from the old bucket wash method. Slightly humorous that the forecast said 0% chance of rain for the next 2 days. And needless to say, you're saying there's a chance. All right, so the rinsing is done, the washing is done. I went through and told you guys I don't try to hit the seals too much, but just wanted to show you guys opening up the door right here. Obviously, inside's a little bit dirty, but I wanted to highlight that overall with Storyteller's awesome product and quality, that the seals are all good to go. So I've not had an issue yet, but I also don't try to stress it. We were with one really bad rainstorm where we did have a leak with this window, and you felt it on the bed, but I am not feeling it on this one. So overall, I would say Storyteller passed the test, A+. Let's see if Safe Flight did with the new windshield replacement. I see no water. So yeah, now we just gotta clean the inside, but that is all good stuff if you ask me. All right, seals are all good. She's all rinsed. It's time to do a little bit of blow drying, and then I'd say let's get out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do appreciate it. I hope this was helpful for you. If you guys are interested in the Ryobi car wash pressure washer, links down below for Amazon, and hope to see you guys out on the trails.